Hello kids, so today Miss Sarah is going to continue about what we have learned before in Zoom. So today you're going to learn about the rhombus. I'm going to continue to explain about rhombus. Figure ABCD is a rhombus. Like we know before that all sides of rhombus is equal. Okay, so here, and here, all the sides are equal, so it got the symbol of one straight line. Okay, as you can see there. And then the opposite sides, I mean the sides that facing each other, is parallel. Okay, so AB is parallel with CD, AB is parallel with CD, AD is parallel with CD, BC, sorry. Okay, so because we have learned about that the sides that facing each other is parallel, so is the angle that facing each other is also equal. Okay, so basically all things that facing the same, I mean like a line facing other line, they are equal. Angle facing other angle, they are equal. Okay, so it means A is equal with C, B is equal with D, or we can say that they are vertically opposite. Okay, like we've learned before. For example, I give a helping line here, a few helping lines like this, right? So this is D, right? Yes. Based on this position, so I can say this is B. Okay. So D and B are vertically opposite. That's why they are the same. Okay. So that's about rhombus. Now we're going to read more. In the rhombus ABCD, A equals to C and B equals to D. Okay, opposite angles of a rhombus are equal. So are with parallelogram and also in trapezium. Oh, in trapezium no, sorry. Okay, so AB equals to B 180 degrees, CD equals to 180 degrees, AD 180 degrees, BC 180 degrees. Okay, in parallelogram also, we also know that the angles that is in one line, that is connected with one line, they are add up to 180 degrees. Okay, remember, like this box here, each pair of angles between two parallel sides of a rhombus add up to 180 degrees. Okay, or we can simplify that as angles that is in the same line, they are add up to 180 degrees. Okay, for example, this one, sorry, okay, like this one, A and D, okay, they are add up to 180 degrees. They are in the same line, right? So is with AB. A and B add up to 180 degrees. Okay, for example, A is 131. Okay, then how about B? So B equals to 131 degrees minus, 180 degrees minus 131 degrees. Okay, that is B. Okay, so how about then how much is it? 49 degrees. Okay, So if A is 131, okay, and then how about D? D also equals to 180 degrees minus 131 equals to 49 degrees, or we can see this theory. Okay, this is like we have count before. This is 49 degrees, this is 49 degrees. Okay, they prove that B equals to D, so all of that is connected. Okay, so each pair of angles between two parallel sides of a rhombus adds up to 180 degrees. Okay, they both of the theory here we have proved it. Okay, so now we're going to discuss about this one, page 146. Okay, 146. Find FGH, this one. Okay, remember the angles that is in the same line, they add up to 180 degrees. Okay, so because we know that F and G is in one line, okay, so because F is 83 degrees, so FGH equals to 180 degrees minus 83 degrees equals to 97 degrees. Okay, how about this one, B? How about B? Find KJL. Okay, so KJL, or this one. Okay, but the little part. Okay, not KJM, but KJL. Okay, so how to do it? Because we already know LGM. So how to find KJL is easy. We need to know KJM minus LJM. Okay, so KJM, how to find KJM? Remember again that the angles that is in one line, they are add up to 180 degrees. So KJM is 180 degrees minus 124 degrees equals to 56 degrees. Okay, how to find KJL is 56, because this all is 56, then minus it with 28 degrees. So you got the answer is 28 degrees. Okay? Okay. That is for A and B. Now for C and D. Okay? So ABC, find the AB. Okay, this one. Okay, the little part. Okay, how to find that? We must know ABC first. Okay, why ABC first? DAB. Oh, sorry guys. DAB is all of this. Okay, DAB. Okay, why we must find ABC first? Because ABC is in one line with DAB. Okay, so if we find ABC, we can minus 180 degrees with ABC. Okay, so then we will get the AB. Okay, now how to find ABC? Is 180 degrees minus 64 degrees minus 64 degrees. Okay, because this is 64, so this is also 64. Okay, so you got 52 for this. Okay, so DAB equals to 180 degrees minus 52 equals to 128 degrees. That is for C. And how about for D? For D, find ABE. ABE. Okay, this little part. Okay, how to find ABE? We must know ABC first, all first. And then we can minus it. Minus ABC with 50 degrees. Okay, how to find ABC? ABC, remember B and C is one line. Is in one line. Okay, so how to find it is 180 degrees minus 105 degrees. So you got 75 degrees. Okay, so ABE is 75 degrees minus 50 degrees equals to 25 degrees. Okay, that is for that. So now we move on to trapezium. Okay, to trapezium. Okay, Gilbert labeled the angles of trapezium ABCD as shown. Okay, he cut out the angles A and B and arranged the angles on a straight line. Okay, so like we have learned before, that the angles that is in one line equals to 180 degrees, or the angles that between a parallel line is add up to 180 degrees. I want to ask you, which one is the parallel line of trapezium? Remember, in trapezium we only need one pair of parallel line, so you can call it trapezium. Okay, if two, it can be parallelogram, it can be rhombus. Okay, so if you see there are two parallel lines, you can identify more. Are all the angles equal? If not, that is a parallelogram. If yes, that is a rhombus. Okay, so you got step to identify what kind of quadrilateral is that. Okay, first of all, if only one parallel line, you can say that is trapezium. If two parallel line, it can be parallelogram or a rhombus. Okay, then identify more. Are all the line is equal? If equals, then it is a rhombus. If not equal, then that is a parallelogram. Okay, so there are three steps. Okay, trapezium, rhombus, parallelogram. Okay, so one line equals to 180 degrees. So A plus B equals to 180 degrees. Proved by this picture. Okay, or you can also make your own trapezium, like we proved how much is the total sum of angles of triangle. Okay, so you can make your own trapezium, cut out the A and B, and then you can try to match it. Is it 180 degrees? You can prove it by yourself. Okay, then he cut out angles C and D and arranged the angles on a straight line. C and D is also 180 degrees. Okay, so in trapezium, each pair of angles between the parallel sides add up to 180 degrees. Okay, then we move on to example of the question. Okay, find the unknown marked angles in trapezium K, L, M, N. Okay, find the unknown. Unknown, it means you need to find this one. You need to find this one. One by one first. Okay, K, L, M. Okay, 180 degrees minus 154. because K and L in a one line, connected by one line, okay, or between a parallel line. Before that, I want to ask you, which one is the parallel line of trapezium KLMN? Of course, KN and LM. Okay, so the angles that between KN and LM, they are add up to 180 degrees. So L or KLM equals to 180 degrees minus 154 degrees equals to 26 degrees. Okay, so how about LMN? LMN is 180 degrees minus 118 degrees equals to 62 degrees. Okay, that is number 4. Now move on to number 4b. Okay, ABCD is a trapezium in which AD parallel with BC. Okay, AD parallel with BC. Find BAC. BAC. Okay, this little part. Okay, of course, BAD equals to 180 degrees minus 46 degrees. Okay, remember, BAD and ABC are in between the parallel line. Okay, so BAD equals to 134 degrees. Okay, this is 134 degrees, so it means it is inclusive of 32. Okay, so 32 is in 134. Okay, so 134 already including 32. Okay, so BAC equals to 134 minus 32 equals to 102. Okay, that is BAC. Now C. ABC is a trapezium in which AB parallel with TC. Okay, find BCE. BCE, this one, this little part. Okay, sorry, this little part. Okay, how to find it? So easy. We need to find all of this first and then minus all of this with 24 degrees. Okay, how to find BCD then? How to find BCD is 180 degrees minus 112 degrees. Okay, equals to 68 degrees. So because this is all is 68 degrees, so BCE only is 68, because this is all 68. BCE only is 68 minus 24 degrees equals to 44 degrees. Okay, that is finished. So now it is my time to give you the assignment. So the assignment, we take it from the workbook. So please do your workbook from page 133 until 140. Okay, 133, 133 and 140. The deadline is in Friday. Okay, the deadline is in Friday. So if you finish before Friday, it is going to be amazing. Okay, that is too much. Amazing is too much. Okay, so deadline is for Friday, and tomorrow we're going to learn about lesson 2, finding unknown angles. Okay, so prepare yourself. If you already finished until 140, remember, I will going to write it here, workbook page 133 until 140. Okay, deadline Friday. Okay, so that's all for today. Tomorrow we're going to learn about lesson 2. Please prepare yourself to know finding unknown angles of quadrilaterals. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you and God bless you everyone.